How's it going, guys? Alright, so I've pretty much been ignoring my house for like 2 months now. Keeping too busy out of the house, not keeping the house organized. So I'll give you a quick walk around before I move a whole bunch of stuff today, show you what it looks like before, and let's see what we can get done in the day because I keep putting it off. And yeah, time to get motivated and get back to being goal oriented. So we're gonna set some goals today on what to get cleaned. And yeah, guys, I'll give you a quick little update of how trash the house is and see what we can get it to look like when we're done with it. Alright, I'm gonna flip the camera angle and show you guys. I'll start at the front entrance where we got some clashy magnets to go along with that clashy banner that probably shouldn't be hanging up in the house. Should be displayed where it's out making some potential customers. And stained up carpet, obviously, because I'm constantly bringing in work gear like this. Yep. There's our little studio, guys. Our recording area. No, nah, that's just my tripod. As you can see, more stuff to go out to the storage unit, guys. It's just buried hunting stuff, fishing and work. Yeah, I had a couple issues with some fruit flies, so that is up. Keep in mind, guys, this is the worst my house has been in like a year. But yeah, here is the before shot. We got overflow piling up in the hallway here. Garbage can, like, there's a lot we gotta do. We gotta make that look all nice and fancy. Put some cool decorative shit in there. And we got Dominic's room. Honestly, not that bad. It just needs a little bit of tidying. But yeah, that's kind of in the middle. That is my room, which is off limits right now. And the laundry room needs a little organizing too. But yeah, let's get to work, guys. And then we're gonna come up with some plans for how to reset all this up. So that is the current look. And then yeah, I'll get this up right now so you guys can see it. And we will get a video of the final result later. I don't know, I'm thinking I might just bring my desk back out here out of the bedroom, guys. I've had my studio in the bedroom and yeah, I don't know if I like it there. Might drag it back out here. Give my bedroom a little more space too. And we don't need to see in there because it's just trash too right now. Alright. Well, that's it for now. You guys can see how busy I'm going to be today. So I'm going to quickly edit this up, get it uploaded for you guys. I might be doing a video later of me buzzing all my hair off. I don't know yet. I've been thinking about it for like 2 or 3 days. So drop some things in the comment if I haven't done it yet. If there's no video up yet, I haven't done it. So yeah. Come back. Should have kept the angle over here. Like, there we go. Get me in there twice. But what the hell was I saying? I go out for a quick smoke. Oh yeah, anyway. Yeah, I might shave my hair, so if I haven't uploaded yet, drop a comment if you guys think I should or not. Regardless, if I decide to do it, I'm going to, but whatever. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment. Come back for the video of the final result. And I also want to get it clean because we need to get some, I need to set a space up for butchering meat. Actually, yeah, see, maybe I will leave the office in the bedroom because I'm thinking use that space there, but I could set that table up to cut the deer up and stuff, and I can just take that table and twist it this way so it's butted up against that wall instead of this one. We shall see, but there's a lot of shit that needs to be moved. So I'm gonna get to it. I'll see you guys soon.